Yeah, let's go. New year, new me, turn it up a new degree.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, I am making this video because I had so many people ask me, how can I get 50% off my Airbnb booking using a simple promo code? And I alluded to this code in my last video, and that's why so many people asked me to create it. So I thought I would show you guys how I get 50% off all of my Airbnb bookings. And it's actually really easy, surprisingly easy considering how much money you can save. As an example, no matter how much you book, whether it's $400 or $1,000, this will save 50% off, and you can use it against any stay on Airbnb. So let me show you where you can get your promo code. Open up the internet. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your desktop computer, you can do it on your iPad. I recommend your mobile phone because it's a lot more simple. Now, go to www.giftcardhero.net. When you reach the website, we need to look for this Airbnb promo page. So we got to press this menu, and you can see I've just searched Airbnb in the search bar. And that's how we navigate our way to this page. So let's press this page, scroll down, and you can see this is for Airbnb. There's a bit of information, but this code is what we're interested in. Airbnb, 50% off your booking for new and as well as existing customers. So we gotta press this reveal code, green button here. And now basically this is how we unlock the code. Gift Card Hero has partnered up with Airbnb to be able to provide us these codes, but it does mean we have to complete this completely free step. So let's follow the instructions, guys. Complete 2 of the free offers below. This verifies you are not a robot. A bunch of codes have been claimed so far. Okay, so we need to complete 2 of these free offers. You can see they're either surveys or applications. So let's complete 2 of these free surveys. Answer the questions. And now I'm going to enter my email address, guys. So let me just pause the video and I'll complete 2 of these and I'll return. Welcome back, guys. So that took me a couple of minutes. For you, it was only a couple of seconds, but it's well worth doing, guys, to make sure you fully complete, because as you can see here, it says you receive your Airbnb codes once completed. So I finished 2 of these free surveys. So now when we return to Gift Card Hero, yes, so you can see it's now provided me my 50% off booking code. Now this code will save me, could potentially save me thousands if I want to spend that much on a stay. These codes, guys, are one-time use, so I'm gonna use this code to book a getaway in a minute. So you're gonna need to grab your own 50% off code at giftcardhero.net, and once you get your code, you just simply enter it at checkout, and it's gonna remove 50% off your required payment. So pretty cool. By far the best gift card promo code that I've managed to find. I challenge you to try and find a better one. You probably won't. So I highly recommend doing this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.